The plant and soil science major is really about the application of biology, chemistry, and physics to the plant and soil sciences and plant production industries. The plant and soil science major sits as one of the three majors, with the agricultural economics major and the animal science major. What we are doing in the plant and soil major is really having students see the application of the sciences they've learned and how they can be used to inform decision making and management of the plant production processes and industries. Plant and soil sciences are really the foundation of agriculture. We're in the business of feeding the world, clothing the world, and so a good operational knowledge and application of that knowledge to plant production systems is really essential. It's even more critical in the context of the challenges we're facing in terms of climate change, weather extremes such as droughts and floods. Here at the University of Melbourne, we have top-notch professors teaching and leading the subject and the discipline. For example, we have Professor James Hunt. He's a well-known agronomist who does research and extension in the areas of dryland cropping and mixed cropping, so he's internationally renowned. And he also has industry experience and industry networks that students can really leverage on and really tap into. Another really important and valuable asset that we have at the university is our Dookie farm. And they also get to see in person, in the field, hands-on, how to understand and describe a soil profile, how to identify and how to deal with plant diseases, say for example of wheat or barley that are seen in the field, and how to deal with that. I think the plant and soil science major is really unique in the sense that students in this major, through the subjects, get a really great hands-on experience in the crop production, plant production industry. And I think that's quite irreplaceable. The skills and the knowledge and the experience that you get from dealing with plants, managing soils, ensuring that what is being done in terms of agricultural production is sustainable. And so we're producing food and fiber for the world, for the country, but also working to do it in a very sustainable way that conserves resources and also conserves our ecosystems. So I think that's also a very strong sort of positive contribution and value that students can make. So in terms of career opportunities for graduates from plant and soil sciences, agriculture graduates are in very high demand in the workplace. There's a whole wide range of career opportunities. These include agronomy, advisory services to growers, and of course some students go back to help out in a family farm. Others go on to help to manage farms. Some students go on into public sector, and so places like Agriculture Victoria, and also working in, say, the biosecurity. Other types of work that students go into include research agronomists. We also have students who, if they are interested, go on to do research studies with us. So in their honours year, in the master's studies, and later on in the PhD as well, where they can work on cutting edge science, essentially in the area of plant and soils. I think coming up in the horizon really is a flood of data, flood of devices and sensors that the agricultural sector is already and will continue to expand in taking advantage of this information. And so I think our plant and soil science graduates will be and are very well equipped to deal with this digital agriculture future that is already here.